Hello students, this is your course on blogging and tools. In this video on promoting the blog, we are going to talk about RSS and subscription. So let's begin by understanding what RSS is and how it is a useful aspect of promoting your blog. RSS, or really simple syndication as it is actually the short form for, is a way of in which users can receive updates made on a blog site in a standardized computer readable format, which means an RSS feed or an RSS update which your blog can send to a user is nothing but a set of code. It's like an HTML code which every time you make a new blog post and you update it on your blog site, any user who has subscribed to your RSS feed, they automatically receive this HTML code via an email, or if they have an RSS feed reader or RSS reader. And blog visitors can be encouraged to add your blog to their RSS feed by simply clicking on the RSS or subscription icon on your blog site. As you can see in the example over here, mostly what blog owners do is, if they want that people who have just stumbled upon their blog and they have accidentally come across their content, but they find it interesting, intriguing, and the blog owner wants to encourage such people to receive more content and therefore become part of the regular traffic or the continuously or frequently visiting traffic to their blog, then they can be motivated to subscribe to the blog. And one way to do so is by encouraging them to click on the RSS icon. As you can see, the icon which is next to the subscribe label under the author's name. And as soon as you click on that, if the user has an RSS feed reader, they will start receiving updates from your blog almost instantly. And every time there is an update on your blog, they will be able to receive it in their reader. And from there, they can then proceed to visit your blog as and when they will want to consume relevant content on your blog. Now, to add the RSS icon, I think the best location is almost always next to the other social media icons, where you are encouraging users to share the content which they have liked on your blog. So as you can see in the example here, johncho.com is perhaps one of the most successful blogs out there, and what he has done is he's created stacked plus an icon summary of sorts at the bottom of his blog page, where users can share the post which they liked on Facebook, or they can follow him on Facebook and follow him on Twitter or Instagram or Google Plus or YouTube. And in addition to that, he's given the RSS icon also along with the other social icons, and he's also given a complete stat that how many active daily readers and followers are there for the blog. So it's a great way to encourage customers and readers or blog subscribers, however you want to call them, and tell them that have this kind of social inclusion for them, that see, there are 300,000 readers who are visiting this blog daily. So if you also choose to add it to your RSS feed, you would be receiving the latest updates from the blog as these 300,000 plus users are receiving. This icon can be reflected in the sidebar or the footer of your blog site, depending upon the theme that you're using and how it is configured to indicate social icons. Users can start receiving updates from your blog in their RSS feed reader as soon as they click on this icon. Therefore, it's pretty much straightforward to enable this kind of blog promotion. What you need to remember is that this kind of blog promotion is only possible for readers, for users who are actually present on your blog site. So they have arrived on the site, and this is when you are asking them to further follow the blog. So subsequent promotion can happen to them, which is very different from when you are promoting your blog on social media platforms or niche specific forums, communities, and when you are creating guest blogs or guest posts. So this is for those users who are there on your site. This type of promotion doesn't bring users to your site at the first instance. It brings them back. So, alternately, you can also offer blog subscription. RSS, although was very trending 10 years ago, it has become somewhat archaic, somewhat outdated, and many users today, many readers today, or the frequent traffic to blogs today, they don't use RSS feed readers. And they like to receive information in their emails. Therefore, an alternative for promoting your blog with users who've already seen your blog, and you want to keep them coming back so that you have a regular steady flow of traffic on your blog, is encouraging them to subscribe for email updates. Now, again, this is something very similar to RSS, whereas in RSS feed, they are receiving blog update information in a particular reader. This way, your users, your target readers are receiving blog updates in their inbox, email inbox. And this is how a typical email can look like as soon as someone subscribes to your blog. And you can ask them to confirm their email, and then as soon as that is done, they can start receiving regular updates to your blog. And every time you make a new blog post, they will get an update, a notification by email. Now, to activate this, there is already a basic Jetpack, which is a type of tool which is activated in your basic themes for WordPress. So if you're using any other content management system, you will have to explore the available plugins and widgets to activate it. With WordPress, even with the free site, you have this Jetpack tool activated, which gives you access to email subscriptions and social media and publicize features, which means that as soon as you set up your blog site, you publish your first posts, you can have access to these features, and you can activate the process of your potential readers who are interested to get more content from you. You can allow them, you can facilitate them to receive email notifications. So it's a very natural design of this CMS, and therefore this is the one that we've been covering extensively in blog design and blog development. So it's something that you don't even have to worry about. It happens naturally. What you can do is ensure that from time to time you can track how many email subscribers you have and how you can promote it further. So ultimately, the end game is bringing your readers back to your blog and serving them valuable content, so that along with new readers or first time unique visitors, you also have returning readers to your blog who are contributing to your monthly traffic. So that's about promoting your blog. Next up, we are starting a new chapter, which is different tools for blogging efficiently. Up until now, the entire process of blogging that we have covered. Now we will segregate into smaller aspects or critical elements, and we'll cover essential free as well as paid tools which could be helpful in doing those aspects of blogging more efficiently. So that's what we'll be doing in the next video and the next chapter. Until then, thank you.